Hello and welcome back to another awesome tutorial of Boise Games. In this tutorial we're going to be continuing the PowerPoint games. So therefore delete that, set layout to blank. So we're going to duplicate new slide, create 4 of them. So what you're going to do next, click on the first slide. What you're going to do, you're going to come to insert word at this, then you're gonna write welcome space, then you're gonna put these 2 column, then you're gonna put, okay, this is what you're gonna put, but don't give space. So when you put that, it turns to this face. So drag that to the top, then come to slide 2, fill it up with a rectangle, format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. I'm gonna come to insert action, next slide. So here just gonna come word at, I'm gonna put something like this and say you lose. So from the, so you should be able to do this one, just the other brackets. I'm just gonna take it to the top, then come back here and add, scroll down here as a path, control to duplicate, make sure you duplicate it well. I'm gonna scale this a bit here, control again to duplicate, I'm gonna rotate it, I'm gonna just bring it down, make sure it reaches here. So what you can do is you're gonna press control, duplicate it here, shorten them, duplicate this, control to duplicate, put it here, scale it up a bit, and I don't think here is enough, so we're just gonna stretch this one over here. So click on this one, bring them down a bit, control, duplicate here, sorry, rotate, and add it here. Basically what we're gonna do, add it here, then control, and put it somewhere here, stretch it up a bit, then this one. Okay, so for now click on this one, control D, duplicate, just leave it here for now. We're gonna do, click on each of them, hold and shift, select everyone, make sure you get all. I'm gonna shape fill, okay, shape fill should be black, nah, this color is okay, no outline to make them even. So this one, just gonna put it on top, and going to animations, add animation, motion path. You're gonna add, scroll down to get right, add right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on hold and shift to make sure it doesn't move, and this is okay. So click on the shape, enlarging it a bit, and it's not lapping, so exactly what we want, but just take it up a bit to make sure it laps correctly. So if we click on animation pan and you play all, so this is the animation, to make sure it laps so you can pass. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add circles, come to home, insert circles, I'm gonna insert the first circle. After inserting the first circle, wait a minute, sorry for the distraction, yeah. So insert circles, this will be our first circle. I'm gonna give it a color of dark blue. Click, hold down control, press it here. This shape fill should be yellow, hold on shift and hold down control and duplicate it here, and this shape fill should be red. So this one, clicked, come to animations, come to insert action, and hyperlink to next, no, to link to slide 4, So click on this, click the square we created the first time, go to action, mouse over, hyperlink to next slide. Oh yeah, that's correct. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna click on the yellow animations, click on add animation. It's gonna be an exit animation, so it's gonna be disappear, and that's just it. So what you're gonna do next, okay, animation, overall 11, start on timing, come to start on trigger, start on effects, and click off over 11, and click it, it should disappear, and this animation should play when it's timing. Come to trigger, set start effects on time, one click off, sorry, over 11, which is this one here. Okay, so basically now we've come to slideshow from current slide. Oh sorry, you can do that, just wait till we end it to finish making it. What you can do now, click on this, click on this. Okay, it already has an hyperlink, I hope so. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some more animations. You're gonna click on this arrow, create them, just make him not too big, not too small. Just gonna do it like this so it's gonna be visible. Oh shit. Click on this, just move it down a bit, then click on control and duplicate it. Now select both of them, zoom in a bit back. So we're gonna do, just gonna come to animations, add animation, scroll down, come to more motion paths, come to right, press OK. So this is not OK, hold down shift to make sure it doesn't locks it on this direction. Click it and hold down shift, so make sure it's at the same line. So basically that's what we're gonna do now. So you right click on it and timing, start, on click, okay, repeat until end of slide. Okay, so gonna click on this one, G014, timing, and click repeat until end of slide. Start with previous. Okay, so if I should select both of them and play the animation, this is what we're getting. So what we're gonna do now is basically that's all. So just gonna click this and click on control, okay, gonna right click and copy, sorry, Ctrl Z, gonna copy it, copy, come here and paste. So it's gonna paste it in the right spot, and you're gonna paste it here to paste. Gonna come here and gonna home, okay, you're gonna paste it here too, but you're gonna insert word at this, you're gonna write U1. So just take this to the top. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. I'm sure it's almost 10 minutes. No, it's almost 10 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna add another circle, just gonna leave it here, and what you're gonna do is basically I just shape this up. Okay, you're gonna add insert, add an action, hyperlink to end show. Okay, so we're gonna copy this, copy, you lose, you can paste it here too. So we're just gonna write some text box. I'm gonna write exit, sorry, I'm just gonna make that bigger, just add it here, drag it, control, put it here, change the text to play, and do same here, add a text box, over here, say play, scale it right up. Control, duplicate it and put it over here, and change this to quit. So you're gonna come here, copy, it's not much time again, and paste. So that's what we're gonna do now. And so what we've done, basically, let's try the game out and see where we have problems. Play, it works perfectly. Click on this and animation doesn't play. Okay, exit. Let's find that problem. Click on this, timing, start, no, done is smooth transmission. If you start with previous, let's see what will happen. Okay, click on this one, do same, right click, effect tuning, reduce this timing with previous. Okay, so let's see from beginning, play, and it's playing already. Okay, play again. Oh shit, from beginning, play. Okay, the animation is not playing. So we're gonna do, click on this animation, right click here, timing, start at the end, click off oval 11, I do not know where there's an error in here, or maybe there isn't an error. Wait, there is. Okay, we're just gonna find the error. Okay, you're gonna put a rectangle before it. So now if we start from beginning, play, and we come here, click, should play, and this one doesn't play. Okay, and show, click on this one with previous. So from beginning again, and now press that, should do exit. So what we're gonna do now, just add, come to insert, action, hyperlink. Okay, no, mouse over hyperlink to and show. Okay, no, I'm just gonna hyperlink to slide. Oh, that was the next slide, I'm so sorry. Okay, this one to do same. Oh sorry, come to mouse over, make sure it's always there. Okay, so basically now let's just try the game, and you as a developer, hopefully you can modify the game to your taste and it moves so you can get to the end. And if this touches you, you're gonna die out that much time, so you're gonna wait and click this, you won. Okay, let's restart. Okay, gonna come here, this one, insert, action, hyperlink to slide, 2. This one is play, hyperlink to, let's see, action, hyperlink to previous slide. Okay, thanks for watching. You can continue making the game yourself from here, and if you have any difficulty and problem, you can tell me in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.